to your channel. So I don't know what order I'm gonna put this video in, but today's video is brought to you by this hair company right here across the screen. Okay, I wanted to try something different. Okay, so I made this unit myself, and it is a body wave. Okay, and so I cut these bangs here because I'm always doing like long looks, you know what I'm saying? So I chopped this one to pieces. Okay, I chopped it up just a little wispy-ish, little, you know, something different. I think it's kind of cute, sexy. It's really, I'm really feeling her. So I'm going to insert right now, what the hair looked like when I got it. You know, I always like to show you how it came packaged, what it looked like before I created the unit. The only thing I did different with this unit is normally I put it on a dome cap, the black dome caps. This time I just put it on, let's see if I have one here I can show you. Well, I thought I had one, but I don't see an extra one. Anyway, here's what. I normally put them on these, okay? But this time I made it on just this. So if you're curious, this is just like the nude stocking cap, okay? And I put it on over my natural, well, first I put a shower cap over my natural hair, and then this on top, and then I glued the hair tracks down on this cap, creating this unit. So I can take it off and, you know. But I wanted to try something different. But let me go ahead and show you what the hair looked like when I got it, how it came packaged and all that jazz. And then actually, I think I do have a clip of me actually chopping it up like this. So let me go ahead and insert that for you right now. Okay, fam. So here is what the hair looks like when I received it. Came in this packaging here. Here's what the bundles look like. I got a 20, a 22, a 18-inch, and a 16-inch closure. And this is a body wave textured hair. So I'm just showing you what the packs look like here. And this is what it looks like out of the pack. This hair is so pretty, so soft. Look at the luster on this hair. I'm showing you the wefts. There's no little sparse hairs or bearding on this hair. This hair is absolutely beautiful and so soft. And it smells like a baby. Here is the closure here. It did come with some baby hairs. I'm just showing you what that looks like. It's like a 4x4. Nice size. Okay, so here I'm just showing you. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Here's what the hair looks like before I started cutting it. The one side of it, that's how long it was. And I'm just going to chop this unit up into like a little wispy bob. Don't mind that patch of hair back there. I will go back and fix that later. But I'm just going to chop this thing up into like a little short bob kind of a style. And that's all I'm going to do here. I want to try something different. So yeah. Now that you have seen what the hair looks like, okay, and what she looked like now, can you see her? I just cut her completely up. Because again, I'm always doing longer side. Okay, camera. I'm always doing longer looks. So I just wanted to kind of do a little bobbish, choppy-ish, unplanned look. So, would I recommend this hair? Absolutely, because it was beautiful. I hated to cut it. Like, I hated to cut it, but I got some more hair reviews that's coming up, so I can, you know, go back to my long hair. But this is really cute. Cute summer, spring little look, you know. What you think? Yay or nay? If you're interested in this hair, you don't have to cut yours. You can wear it long and just, But if you're interested in these bundles, check down below for all the information. Okay, camera, stop playing. Oh, check down below, y'all, for all the information related to this hair and any other hair that they have on their site. Go check it out. I think this is an AliExpress vendor as well, if I'm not mistaken. But I got company in there, and I'm here recording a hair review. Okay. Anywho, so this is what she looks like. I think she's cute. I like it. It's different. So you'll see it again probably in some more videos. Again, I do have some other hair reviews coming. I'm not sure. I'm feeling this though. Oh, like, yo. I'm feeling like a little, kind of like a little Asian vibe. What y'all think? Is the Asian vibes coming off or just what? Yeah. Check down below, you guys. Everybody, thanks for tuning in. As always, hugs and kisses. Love you guys. To the moon and back. Everyone stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Don't let anybody dictate y'all mood, okay? You do something good for yourself and always do something good for somebody else. And be careful when you're doing it, because I told y'all, everybody ain't receiving of people doing good stuff. And if you're interested in this bomb hair right here, just check down below. Just check down below. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. Ooh. Ooh, okay, bye y'all.